I'm gonna make chili garlic sauce with honey. It's a great dipping for fresh rolls. I use this sauce to substitute highly processed sauce. This sauce is easy to make, takes less than 15 minutes and requires only few ingredients. Check the link in my description below for the detailed recipe. In a medium-sized saucepan or pot, turn on the heat to medium. Pour water, chili cores to the pot. Add freshly grated garlic. If you don't have a grater, you can chop the garlic. I personally like to grate as it brings out a stronger garlic taste. Add salt. Give it a stir to combine the ingredients and leave it to boil. Now it's boiling, I'm adding corn flour dissolved with water. And next, white vinegar. Stir for about a minute to mix. Try not to inhale the fume as the chili and vinegar can be toxic to your lung. I'm turning off the heat and I'll let it cool before we add our honey. Now, once the sauce cools, I'm gonna add natural honey into our sauce as the last ingredient. The reason why I add the honey last is to avoid cooking the honey. This preserves the health benefits of this natural sweetener. You want to stir until the sauce and the honey is fully mixed. And the sauce is ready. Put it in a jar that is sterilized and always keep it in the refrigerator. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and for more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel.